Alright guys, so in this one we are going to be drawing three diagrams, okay? Good, and then love, and Ken. No, Ken is professional now. Minด้วย okay? Three diagrams. You guys มีปัญหานิดหน่อย okay? I don't want any ปัญหา at all. So step number one, we are going to toss a coin. In a coin, how many possible outcomes do we have?
Two.
We have two, which are head and
Tail.
who are the coin, okay? Now the tetrahedron is like a die, right? But instead of 6 faces, it has how many faces?
6, 3.
4.
It has 4 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
Right? So now we are going to branch it out. So once we have a coin here, after the coin, the tetrahedron, how many possible outcomes do we have? For the tetrahedron?
4.
4, which are
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to branch it out like this. Very, very easy. Does that make sense? So after heads, we can get 1, 2, 3, 4 in a tetrahedron. After tails, we can get 1, 2, 3, 4 from a tetrahedron. Once we draw ears, tetrahedron is like a die, look down, but it looks like a triangle. Okay? Now after we have drawn the tree diagram, we are going to write the possible outcomes. ความเป็นไปได้ทั้งหมด So the easiest way is to go like this. So we have heads and 1, heads and 2, heads and
3,
heads and
4,
tails and
1,
tail,
2,
tail,
3,
tail,
4,
tail.
5.
That's it. Tail 4 and we're done. So this will be our total possible outcomes. Love, how many possible outcomes do we have? 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's say the question is asking, what is the probability of tossing tails and rolling an even number? So we look at this. What do we mean by even number? เลขคู่ which are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Now, alright, carrying on. Now in this one, they're asking for tails and rolling an even number, right? So we are only going to look at this part because this one is heads. We are not even going to look at it. So tails and even number, which are what? We have tail and 2 and tail and 4. Does that make sense? Yes, so what are the total possible outcomes here? We have 2 of these, right? Tail and 2 and tail and 4, which is 2 over 8. Once we simplify 2 over 8, it changes to 1 over 4. And that is how we got 1 over 4. Make sense? Any question? Okay, hit stop.